We harvest a lot of blackberries. We grow two varieties, Chester and Black Satin, both thornless. 5th year they fruited, and they are prolific. We harvest probably over a period of 5 weeks, give or take. Honestly, it can go even a little longer. If I walked out there now, there'd probably still be a couple of blackberries, and it is mid-October. And here you go. Last year, we'll probably get somewhere around 12 to 15 kilograms of blackberries this year. 25 pounds or so. Look at all those berries. We'll have a lot of jam and some more mead this year.